You're good. Keep going.
Oh, Jesus. Holy mother of... Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Mama, and a company reached out to me and asked me to try out one of their products. And I said, yes, why not? Shine Armor. So anyway, I'm gonna try out Shine Armor, as seen on TV. It's supposed to protect your paint, and I know you guys know that I do a lot of off-roading, and I like to hug those tree lines because I'm afraid of the edges. So I have lots of scratches on my Jeep. Some dings where I hit the sides of rocks. So this is a graphene ceramic spray, and we're gonna check it out and see how it works. Graphene is an ultra durable atom that at a molecular level is 200 times stronger than steel, yet 6 times lighter and flexible. This new nanotechnology breakthrough infuses graphene and ceramic to form an even more powerful coating that enhances your vehicle's protection, slickness, and durability unlike anything else seen on the market. So first I'm going to show you the before, and we're going to use my driver's side door as a before and after, so you can see all the horrible scratches on the driver's side door. You can see tree branches here, and then like I said, the up and down is Dixie. And then over here, this is when I dinged my Jeep in Arizona, in Kingman. So we're gonna try it out. Simple spray and wipe. So once you've wiped on the spray, you let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you take another microfiber cloth and you buff it in. And then you're supposed to let it cure for 4 hours before you expose it to the elements. And I'm assuming the elements is rain and snow and dirt and mud. So we'll let it sit. You can still see some of the scratches are still in here, but that's because they're pretty deep. We're gonna try the front grille as well, because that's where the bugs gather. And this is supposed to help just wipe the bugs off. See the water spots? So I started my hood, and it looks really shiny, pretty easy. You gotta rub kind of hard, and now I'm gonna buff it. So I decided to pull my Jeep into the garage out of the sun, because it said you're supposed to keep it out of the elements for 4 hours, and I figured, you know, the sun is probably an element, and you can tell it's really, really shiny right now. It's only been like maybe 5 minutes. Inside here, I can't see any of the scratches, but I'm sure out in the sunlight it'll show some, so we'll take a look at that in a little bit. But I'll tell you what, it shines up my Jeep really, really well. And inside, I can't see the water spots anymore. My Jeep hood had tons of water spots. But like I said, we're inside. I'm keeping it out of the hot sun. And I'm gonna let it sit here and kind of cure for a little bit while I finish doing the rest of the Jeep. But so far, it's like really, really shiny. And you know, this is supposed to be a detailer, like when you would use wax. It's been about an hour. I brought it back outside because I just wanted to see what the scratches look like in the sunlight. And I love my black Jeep, but it shows every little piece of dirt, water spot, scratch, and here's my driver's side door. You can still kind of make out the scratches, but it's not nearly as pronounced. And look at how shiny it is. I would have to say the Shine Armor is a great do-it-yourself wax type product to shine up your vehicle. This Shine Armor Graphene Ceramic Spray has extremely powerful hydrophobic properties, repelling water. Check out my Jeep a week later after a rain shower. Now check out my friend's Jeep the same day with no shine armor. And here's my Jeep. So this little bottle, I've only used about maybe a third of it, and I did my whole Jeep. And you know, my Jeep's never gonna be perfect. It's, you know, 7 years old. It's been through a lot of scratches, a lot of rock dings, a lot of rocks flying at it on the trails, getting the paint chipped. But this is really good. I love this. It's shiny. You can't really make out the scratches anymore, even in the sunlight. So this is Shine Armor. It's a graphene ceramic spray, and I would suggest maybe you test it out for your own little do-it-yourself project. Check out the link in the description below to purchase your own bottle of Shine Armor.